Assalamu alaikum students, I am Afshin Ishtiaq, your online teacher for the subject of chemistry. Dear students, today we are going to start our lecture number 17 and today's topic of discussion is gram atomic mass, gram molecular mass and gram formula mass. As we already know that substances are made up of atoms, molecules or formulas unit. Their masses are referred to as atomic masses, molecular masses and formula masses. So all these masses are expressed in AMU. But when we represent the mass of a substance, either it is atomic, molecular or formula, in grams, it is known as gram atomic mass, gram molecular mass and gram formula mass. There are two ways to represent the masses of the substances. The first one was to represent the mass in atomic mass unit AMU and the second one is to represent the mass in grams. When we represent the masses of atoms, molecules and formulas in grams, it will be referred as gram atomic mass, gram molecular mass and gram formula mass. We will discuss them step by step. The first one is gram atomic mass. When the atomic masses of an element is expressed in gram, the atomic mass means the mass of an atom, the mass of an element. When the atomic mass of an element is expressed in grams, it will be called as gram atomic mass or gram atom. And 1 gram atom of any substance, any particle will be referred to as a mole of the substance. How 1 mole will be equal to gram atom? This would be discussed in the next topic. So here we are discussing about gram atomic mass. The mass of an element or an atom expressed in gram is called as gram atomic mass. For example, 1 gram atom of hydrogen. We are discussing about single atom of hydrogen H. The mass of hydrogen is 1.008 gram. So this mass is expressed in gram, 1.008 gram. So it will be called as gram atomic mass. It means whenever the mass of an element or an atom is expressed in gram, it is called as gram atomic mass. Same in the way 1 gram atom of carbon. The mass of 1 gram atom of carbon is 12 gram. It is called as gram atomic mass or gram atom of carbon. It means that 1 gram of atom of different elements have different masses. 1 gram atom of different elements have different masses. If we change their number of grams, their masses will be different. Gram molecular mass. Next one is gram molecular mass. The mass of the molecular mass of an element or a compound, when expressed in gram, it is called as gram molecular mass or gram molecule. We have already discussed that there are two types of formulas represented by different compounds. Ionic compounds have their formula units and formula masses, and covalent compounds have their molecular formulas and molecular masses. So here we are discussing about molecular mass, which is exhibited by covalent compounds like water, like H2SO4, like hydrogen. These all compounds represent gram molecular mass. So mass of an element or a compound expressed in gram is called as gram molecular mass or gram molecules. It is also called as mole. For example, 1 gram molecule of hydrogen. हाइड्रोजन जब हमने ऊपर बात की थी तो वह हम एटम की बात की थी, सिंगल हाइड्रोजन H की बात की थी. अब हम H2 कह रहे हैं. तो H2 is a combination of 2 atoms, so it is a molecule. तो इसका जब mass हम represent करेंगे वो कैसे represent करेंगे? gram molecular mass. So 1 gram molecular mass of hydrogen is 2 gram. It means 1.008 plus 1.008 it comes to 2. So it is the gram molecular mass of hydrogen. Same in the way 1 gram molecule of water. 1 gram molecule of water contains 2 mass, hydrogen mass is 2 because H2, it is H2. So gram molecule of hydrogen is 2 plus oxygen. Mass of oxygen is 16. So 16 plus 2 comes to be 18 grams. It is the gram molecular mass of water. In the same way, gram molecule of H2SO4, it comes to 98. H2 2 plus sulfur 32 plus oxygen 16 into 4, it comes to 98. So it will be 1 gram molecular mass of H2SO4 सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. सो हमने देखा कि जब आप सिंगल एटम की बात करते हो तो हम उसे ग्राम एटॉमिक मास कहते हैं. जब आप मॉलिक्यूल की या कंपाउंड की बात कर रहे हैं तो आप उसको ग्राम में रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, तो उसे हम क्या कहते हैं, ग्राम मॉलिक्यूलर मास कहते हैं. The next and the last mass is gram formula mass. We have already discussed that ionic compounds exhibited formula mass and formula units. So when the formula mass of any ionic compound is expressed in grams, it is called as gram formula mass or gram formula. It is also called as a mole. For example, 1 gram formula of NaCl is 58.5 gram. Chlorine has a mass of 35.5 and sodium has a mass of 23. So it comes to 58.5 gram. In the same way, 1 gram formula of calcium carbonate, it comes to 100 grams. So these are different masses of different compounds. So there are 3 type of formulas, there are 3 type of masses: gram atomic mass, gram molecular mass and gram formula mass. When any element, compound or ionic compound is expressed in grams, their formula will be gram atomic mass, gram molecular mass and gram formula mass. So these were the different masses of different substances according to the type of atoms, according to the type of molecules which are being present in any compound or in any element. Next is Avogadro's number and moles. In this lecture, lecture number 17, we are discussing small definitions of this chapter and the chapter will be closed here. Avogadro's number. In the chemistry, we deal with substances which are composed of atoms, molecules or formula units. So, counting of atoms and molecules is much easier in comparison to calculate the number of particles which are present in any molecule. So to facilitate this, we introduced a concept which is called as Avogadro's number of particles. According to this concept, any particle, any element or any molecule is a collection of a figure which is 6.02 into 10 power 23 particle. If any molecule, any substance or any atom contains this number of particles which is 6.02 into 10 power 23, it will be called as Avogadro's number of particles. Avogadro's number is a collection of 6.02 into 10 power 23 particles. It is represented by the symbol Na. कैपिटल N और कैपिटल ही A है, लेकिन N जो है उसको हम बड़ा करके लिख रहे हैं और A को उसके सबस्क्रिप्ट में छोटा सा करके लिख रहे हैं. इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज एवोगैड्रो नंबर. हैंस 6.02 into 10 power 23 number of atoms, molecules or formula units is called as Avogadro number, that is equivalent to 1 mole of respective substance. In simple words, 6.02 into 10 power 23 particles are equal to 1 mole of the particle. मतलब किसी भी मॉलिक्यूल, किसी भी एटम्स के अंदर जितने भी पार्टिकल्स प्रेजेंट हैं वो किसके इक्वल होंगे, 6.02 इंटू 23 10 की पावर 23 एटम्स के वो इक्वल होंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 6.02 इंटू 10 पावर 23 एटम्स ऑफ कार्बन आर इक्वलेंट टू 1 मोल ऑफ कार्बन एंड 1 मोल ऑफ कार्बन इज 12 ग्राम. So 12 gram of carbon has 6.02 into 10 power 23 particle. Similarly, 6.02 into 10 power 23 molecules of water are equivalent to 1 mole of water. 6.02 into 10 power 23 molecules जो हैं वो वाटर के अंदर प्रेजेंट है. इसका मतलब है वाटर का जो मोलिकुलर मास है वो कितना है, 18 ग्राम्स. तो 18 grams mean 1 molecule of water. 1 molecule of water contains 6.02 into 10 power 23 particles. इसका मतलब है कि कोई भी जो molecule है, अगर वो 1 molecule है, ठीक है, जैसे water है, water 1 molecule is equal to 18 grams. 1 molecule of water, तो 1 molecule of water के अंदर particles कितने होंगे? 6.02 into 10 power 23 Avogadro's number of particles. इसका मतलब है जब हम एटम्स की बात करते हैं तो हम उनके मैसेज कैलकुलेट करते हैं, लेकिन जब हम पार्टिकल्स की बात करते हैं तो कोई भी मॉलिक्यूल है, अगर वो 1 मॉलिक्यूल है तो उसके अंदर कितने पार्टिकल्स होंगे? एवोगैड्रोस नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल होंगे. सिमिलरली फॉर्मूला यूनिट ऑफ NaCl आर इक्वलेंट टू 1 मोल ऑफ सोडियम क्लोराइड. सोडियम क्लोराइड का फॉर्मूला मैस क्या है? 58.5 ग्राम्स. तो वो क्या है? 1 फॉर्मूला यूनिट ऑफ NaCl. तो 1 फॉर्मूला यूनिट ऑफ NaCl के अंदर एवोगैड्रोस नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल कितने हैं? 6.02 इंटू 10 पावर 23 पार्टिकल. इस तरह से डिफरेंट जो आपके मैसेज हैं उनके डिफरेंट एवोगैड्रोस नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स होंगे. तो यहाँ से हम एवोगैड्रोस नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स की डेफिनेशन को एक बार फिर देख लेते हैं. एवोगैड्रोस नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल इज अ कलेक्शन ऑफ 6.02 इंटू 10 पावर 23 पार्टिकल्स which is present in any molecule, any substance or any formula unit. It will be referred as Avogadro's number of particle. So any 1 gram, 1 molecular mass or 1 formula mass substance will contains 6.02 into 10 power 23 number of particles in it. So we have discussed about gram masses and Avogadro's number of particles. Next is mole. हम जो है वो बार बार बात कर रहे हैं कि अगर कोई एटम है वो उसके अंदर एवोगैड्रोस नंबर पार्टिकल हैं तो वो 1 मोल के इक्वल है. अगर कोई सब्सटेंस है उसका मोलिकुलर मास है तो वो किसके इक्वल है? 1 मोल के इक्वल है. तो व्हाट इज मोल? Mole is defined as amount of a substance that contains 6.02 into 10 power 23 number of particles. Atoms, molecules are formula units. कोई भी सब्सटेंस है अगर उसके अंदर एवोगैड्रो नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स प्रेजेंट है तो वो किसके इक्वल है? मोल के इक्वल है. इट इज़ इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट एनी particle, atom, molecule or formula unit that contains Avogadro's number of particles, it will be called as mole. Mole is represented as MOL. It is abbreviated as MOL, mole. Element and compounds may be ionic or covalent. They have, if it is atom, it has atomic mass. If it is molecule, it will have molecular mass and formula mass. So when the masses are expressed in atomic mass unit, AMU, and when these masses are expressed in grams, they are called as molar masses. Similarly, the quantitative definition of mole is atomic masses, molecular masses or formula mass of a substance expressed in grams is called as mole. हमने स्टार्ट में भी बात की थी कि 2 यूनिट्स हैं, AMU and grams. So when masses are expressed in grams, they will be equal to the moles. The quantitative definition of mole is atomic, molecular or formula masses of a substance expressed in gram, they are called as mole, or it is defined as amount of substance that contains Avogadro's number of particles, it will be called as mole. अगर किसी सब्सटेंस के अंदर एवोगैड्रोस नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल होंगे फिर भी उसे मोल कहेंगे. अगर किसी का ग्राम्स में रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं तो फिर भी उसे मोल कहेंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल, एटॉमिक मास ऑफ कार्बन एक्सप्रेस्ड इन gram 12 gram, it is 1 mole. Expressed molecular mass of water expressed as 18 gram, it is 1 mole of water. So it is clear that 1 mole of water is 18 gram, it is 1 mole, and 1 mole contains Avogadro's number of particles, it will be 1 mole. There is a relationship between mole and masses, and it can be represented as number of moles is equal to known mass of a substance divided by molar mass of a substance, or mass of a substance is equal to number of moles and molar mass. So ये फॉर्मूला जो है वो हमें डिफरेंट न्यूमेरिकल्स को सॉल्व करने में हेल्प करता है. नेक्स्ट जो है यहाँ पे हमें एक डिटेल में ग्राफ बताया हुआ है जिसमें हमें डिफरेंट जगहों से हम देख सकते हैं कि हर चीज़ जो है वो एट द एंड मोल के इक्वल ही होती है। जैसे एलिमेंट है वो एटॉमिक मास से रिप्रेजेंट होगा, फिर वो ग्राम एटॉमिक मास है तो ग्राम एटॉमिक मास में एवोगैड्रो नंबर होंगे तो वो मोल के इक्वल होगा। इसी तरह कंपाउंड वगैरह हैं तो ये सारे क्या है हमें एक रिलेशनशिप ग्राफ की फॉर्म में मिल रहा है। तो आपकी जो असाइनमेंट है उसके क्वेश्चन नंबर 25 to 30 उसको आपने इस असाइनमेंट के लिए सॉल्व कर लेना है। थैंक यू।